Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for Christmas craft creations. The April challenge is to use a stamp, and here's the card I made. I begin my card with the background. For it I'm just using my double card base, which looks a bit yucky. I cleaned my shelves, I think it got wet. And I put some printer paper underneath. And then this is a stencil I made by cutting a hexagon from acetate or stencil plastic in this case, but you can use whatever you have. And then I'm masking off the middle so I can do like an ice bank where my stamps are going to sit on, and then a stormy sky for the wintry sky. The Christmas craft creations always starts on the second Wednesday of the month. This month, April, our challenge is to use a stamp, so that couldn't be easier, and have to be Christmas cards. So I'm using the Clearly Resulted Laugh Out Loud Christmas for my sentiment, which is really funny. It says, "All I want for Christmas is you." Only joking. I want presents, lots of them. And my polar bear lineup is from Clearly Resulted as well, Christmas lineup, and you will see that later. I already stamped it off screen and I let my scanner cut it out, but I think my blade went a little bit dull and didn't cut it completely. You will see that. And somehow this looks very crooked to me, but it's not. Yeah, it's trick of the eye. But I'm stamping a sentiment. A few times it's a new stamp, so it didn't stamp pretty good, and my ink pad is still dry. All I want for Christmas is you. No, I just want presents. I thought that was funny, and that's because in the image there's polar bears with presents, so I thought that would go well. See that? And I cleaned it in between, so maybe I thought it would stamp better, but my chamois was very wet, so I'm kind of blotting it off now first. I'm making sure it's still in the corner. It's very important, of course. I'm sorry if you can hear noises. My downstairs neighbors are not sure what they're doing, but so do it yourself outside. I hear saws and high pressure cleaners. There's a few neighbors, of course. But here's my lineup. And I stamped that with Tina K amalgam ink, in case you're interested. See, and I cut out only the one. I thought I stamp them all and have them cut out and have them ready. But yeah, I have to cut them out by hand anyway. So and that's okay. I should have done a test cut and I didn't. And I'll just turn on the music because I'm starting to color now. The only thing I did in the end is splatter some Lawn Fawn liquid stardust. I mount this image with foam tape. So thank you for watching. And I hope you will join us. As I said, the links are down below, so come and see what it's all about. Bye!